everyone, this is Corina from Atelier Mico, and today I'll show you how to create a pendant fluted lamp. For this you'll need a really thick white paper with texture, drawing tools, some black acrylics and a staple gun. And to mention, I used the wire from an old lamp, but if you don't have one in your house you can always order one from IKEA or from Amazon. First of all, you'll need to draw 10 patterns on the white paper, and the dimension of the paper is 70 per 100 centimeters. I'll add a photo with the dimensions of the pattern that you'll need to draw. So the base is gonna be 20 centimeters, the upper part is gonna be 10 centimeters, and the height is gonna be 30 centimeters. You just need to find the middle of the base part and the middle of the upper part, and then it's gonna be really easy to create the shape. And this is how it should look on the white paper. To cut out the shape I use a ruler and a cutter and slide the cutter on the edges of the shape. Now for the rest of the 9 pieces left, I'll just take the first shape and place it on the white paper and draw the contour. Next, I cut out all pieces from the paper using the ruler and the cutter. And for a nicer look, I chose to paint the outline of the fluted lamp with black. And the thickness of this line I chose to be 1 centimeter, and here I was drawing it and measuring it. Next, you'll need some black acrylic and a paintbrush. And now you can start to paint the black line, and also you need to be careful so you won't go over the line. Also do it on the both sides, on the inner part and on the outer part of the piece. All 10 pieces should look like this after they are dry, on the back part and on the front part as well. Now take each piece and fold them a bit so they can create a curved shape. For this part you'll need the staple gun. Take every piece and staple to the other piece until you are finished with every one. in the end it should look like this, and when you are here you'll need to staple also this last part. For this part you'll need a needle and some thread, and I chose the color white so it will not be visible in the end. So you'll need to sew the upper part so it can create kind of a circle from this thread, and the upper part should be more stable like this. Also, I added a metal wire so it can be hanged on the plastic part of the lighting cable. And for this I used a caps tool on each part of the fluted lamp. And here you'll see where I placed the metal wire. I went through each hole with this wire and it should look exactly like this. So you can hang the lamp on the wire cable. You'll need this type of plastic piece where you'll place the fluted lamp. And this X and circle piece, I drew it on a plastic cardboard and cut it out. And here I was placing the fluted lamp on this plastic piece. So once you place the lampshade on this piece, you can start to screw it on the hanged cable. And the final result should look like this. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more projects for your home.